Hello everyone, welcome to day 63 of CARRR series, that is the Current Affairs Recall, Revise and Rise series. So in this series we cover current affairs relating to GA and ESI part of your syllabus. We do it very quickly under 2 minutes and we do it in MCQ format. So let's begin. The first question for you is, who became the first player in the history of IPL to hit 800 boundaries? Your options are Rohit Sharma, Shikhar Dhawan, David Warner, Virat Kohli or MS Dhoni. So what do you think is the right answer? The right answer to this question is option D, that is Virat Kohli. So he is the first player in the history of IPL to hit 800 plus boundaries. Okay? And when it comes to sixes, the player with the most number of sixes in IPL is Chris Gale, followed by Rohit Sharma and then Virat Kohli. So this is as per the maximum number of sixes in IPL, and this is with regards to the maximum number of boundaries. I hope you are clear with question number 1. Now question number 2, who is the Chief Executive Officer CEO of Niti Aayog 2026? Your options are Amitabh Kent, BVR Subramaniam, Suman Berry, Nidhi Chibad or Ashok Lahiri. So what do you think is the right answer? The right answer to this question is option D, that is Nidhi Chibad. She was made the CEO of Niti Aayog, and who is the vice president, if anybody remembers. Do comment down below also the name who is the vice president. We have recently done it in one of our videos. Okay? So do let me know what you think is who is the vice president as well. And now also I have prepared a homework question for you, which is the DPI 2047 roadmap released by the Niti Aayog is primarily aimed at expanding physical infrastructure like roads and ports, strengthening digital public infrastructure for inclusive growth, reforming agricultural subsidy policies, enhancing defense manufacturing capabilities, or promoting traditional industries and handicrafts. So do let me know the answer to both the questions that I'm asking you. Okay, I will see you in another video. Thank you for watching.